Samsung Galaxy S21 FE renders has been shared by a known tipster. The shared renders show a design similar to Galaxy S21 series with a few changes. Samsung launched Galaxy S21 series in January this year. The lineup comprised 3 models: Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra. The upcoming Galaxy S21 FE is expected to be a more affordable and value-for-money proposition, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy S20 FE. The renders for Samsung Galaxy S21 FE was posted on Voice by known tipster at Unleaks aka Steve Hemmerstoffer. The renders detail the design of the upcoming smartphone, and the handset expected is to be fairly similar to Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus smartphones. The small change on the back of Galaxy S21 FE is the camera bump, as Hemmerstoffer claims that it is protruding from the back panel instead of the metal frame as compared to the other smartphones in the series. The body is also expected to be constructed from a glass-like plastic composite. The Galaxy S21 FE is tipped to have a 6.4-inch display with a punch-hole camera that is slightly bigger than the vanilla Galaxy S21. Last year's Galaxy S20 FE also had a bigger screen compared to the regular Galaxy S20. However, Galaxy S21 FE is still smaller compared to its predecessor, measuring at 155.7 by 74.5 by 7.9 mm. There has been no official confirmation from the South Korean tech giant yet, but it is expected that the Galaxy S21 FE could be launched sometime later this year. Samsung Galaxy S20 release date and price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition model was revealed in September 2020 and made available in October 2020. It's been claimed there is a Samsung device with a model number SMG990B in the works that is likely to be the Galaxy S21 FE, and that it would launch in the second half of 2021. With the Galaxy S21 series launching earlier than the Galaxy S20 series, it might be that the Galaxy S21 FE also arrives a little earlier than its predecessor. A leaked mini Samsung roadmap suggests a date of 19th of August has been penciled in for the S21 FE launch, which would support that idea and potentially fill the August launch gap if the Note 21 doesn't appear this year. In terms of price, we'd expect the Galaxy S21 FE to sit below the Galaxy S21. The Galaxy S20 FE starts at £599 in the UK for the 4G model. It isn't available in the US, with the 5G model costing £599 in the UK and $599 in the US. So we would expect a similar ballpark for the Galaxy S21 FE. Samsung Galaxy S20 design. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE featured a design similar to the Galaxy S20 series, but made a couple of changes in order to reduce the price, like a plastic rear instead of glass. The Galaxy S21 FE is expected to do the same, but with a design similar to the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. Rumors claim it will come in grey, silver, pink, violet, and white colors. It's likely to offer waterproofing, like the Galaxy S20 FE did, and we'd expect a flat display. Based on some leaked renders, the camera housing on the rear of the S21 FE will fall into the frame, as it does on the Galaxy S21, but it will be an overall more traditional and simpler design. The housing also appears to be the same color as the rest of the rear rather than a different color like the Galaxy S21. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE display. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has a 6.5-inch display with a Full HD Plus resolution. The rumors claim the Galaxy S21 FE will have a 6.4-inch screen. That still puts it in between the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus in terms of size though. Both the S21 and S21 Plus have a Full HD Plus display too, and both come with a variable 120Hz refresh rate.